Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1965 El Camino. Got the owner of many, many years. Going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Man, what a pretty car. Love the color too.
Thank you. That's 91 Camaro Teal.
Mm-hmm.
I bought this car in 1989 or 1990, I forget now. And it had been partially renovated or restored, and it was a pretty schlock job. So I redid the car, and it's got a 350 Chevy block in there now with an Ultradon racing cam. It's got door heads. It's got cyclone headers, electronic ignition. It's got a turbo 350 trans with a B&M shifter.
Mm-hmm.
Cragar wheels, Flowmaster mufflers.
Old school Mickeys on the back.
Yeah.
Love those. I have those on my Cuda.
And what else can I tell you?
So the restoration was done in 91?
Yeah.
Okay.
And since then it's been tender loving care.
Always garage, driven on nice days.
Yes, and I've shown it a couple of times, and I have the trophies.
Oh, good. Do have lots of receipts, documentations on this car.
I do.
Runs and
Pretty
drives
much
great.
complete, everything. Purchase of the cam, purchase of the carburetor repair work on the Quadrajet. Manifold, the headers, all that's documented.
Great. Beautiful job. I recognize the color right away.
It is distinct.
You probably saw it on the Camaro and said, I gotta have it, right?
Absolutely.
Back then?
Yep.
So we got buckets, console inside, tilt wheel, custom stereo, B&M shifter, seatbelts,
Yep.
6x9s in the back with the Chevy logo there. It's pretty cool. Interior is like a gray and teal and matches the outside. So in 6,515 miles. Is that on the restoration or it's got 106?
When I first got the car, it was about 90,000 on the old clock, so it's gone around.
So it's 106.
Since the restoration,
Yeah.
probably about 10,000, whatever that math comes out to.
Okay. So you got 7,000 to 8,000 miles on the build.
Yes. Approximately.
Sounds nice.
You hear the can?
Yeah, nice and lumpy. Can you open the hood? A couple little spots here, here, and here. Not too bad. There she is. 5.7 Weiland intake, 650. That's 650, right? Carburetor. Got long tube headers, they leading out to Flowmaster. Dart steel heads, power steering, power brakes, and originally came from Arizona.
Right.
Explains the condition. It was originally an air car. I can see that by the plumbing in here. Obviously those have been removed.
And it has a tilt steering wheel.
Tilt wheel. Pretty cool. Love it. You really don't see the 65s around anymore. Nil to none. Not that common. Let's take it for a ride. Okay. Door shut real nice. Windows come down beautifully. Got all the felts in there as well. Just beat the rain too. All the gauges work, stereo works.
Mm-hmm.
A little stall on the training? 2,500 stall?
Yes.
It looks like it. Shift kit? Yeah, sure. Jack Merkel built the motor too, right?
Jack's
see all that receipts on the website. Jack Merkel's the leading engine builder here on Long Island. He knows his stuff.
I don't know how far you want to go.
Yeah, a little ship get in there. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And thanks for showing us your car. It's beautiful.
Thank you.